speed problems? Hi, this is Matt Garrett, and in this quick demo, I'll show you how WP Profiler can help you identify and fix your site load speed problems and get super fast page load speeds. Now, one quick note before we start. When you run a speed test, you need to make sure that you're not logged into the WordPress site that you're running the test for, as this will give you false results. The easiest way to make sure this doesn't happen is to do what I'm doing here and use a different browser for the speed test than the one that you're logged into your WordPress site on. So I'm using Firefox here where I'm logged into my site, and then I'm going to pop across to my Chrome browser where I'm going to run the speed test for this particular site. And all you need to do is pop the URL for the site that you want to test in the URL field and click on the Start Test field. Now, we're using Pingdom to do this test because we found that Pingdom gives the most accurate results for WordPress site speed tests, and it does only take a few seconds to run. And once it's finished, we just scroll down the page a bit so we can see our full results. And as you can see, we've got a total load time of just under 5 seconds. So it's not horrendous, but it certainly could do with being quicker. Surveys have been done that show that a load speed of more than 3 seconds can easily end up with you losing around half your visitors before they even get to engage with your site. So we really want to cut that time down as much as we can. So let's pop back to WP Profiler and run through how this can speed up our site. Now, the site speed profiler itself is the fun part. It's the graphical representation of what's slowing your site down. However, we're going to save that to last. I'm going to tease you along, and we're going to go through the more boring standard bits first. They're very, very quick. The first is we need to optimize the database. Basically, over time, your WordPress databases get bloated and messy and they need tidying up. It's a very quick and easy process. However, for instance, here we can see that there are problems found. All we need to do is click on the button to perform the database optimization and click on OK. Now, this kind of thing happens more and more as your site gets bigger and older and there's more content. So all you need to do is pop into here now and then to see if there are any problems found, click on the button and let WP Profiler run to complete the optimization for you. It is a very quick process. As you can see, there we go, we are done with the database optimization. So that's the first step of keeping our site nice and healthy done, and it took just moments. The next is specifically for speed, and we're going to look at optimizing the images that we've got uploaded to our site. Large unoptimized images is one of the biggest and most common speed problems on websites, and it's something that can be solved automatically with WP Profiler. Simply click on the developer dashboard link down the bottom here. This will take you to TinyPNG where you can register for your free API key. This gives you up to 500 image optimizations per month, and if you need more, there are paid options available, but the free version will give you 500, which is more than enough for most people's needs. Once you've got your API key, pop it in here and activate the image optimization. After you've done so, any new images you add to your blog from here on will be optimized automatically for you when you upload them. However, that doesn't deal with any existing images already on your site. So that's what the bulk optimize images option is for. So let's look at that next. Now, this simply lets you go through and optimize all your old images in batches. And I'm just going to run a batch of 10 so that you can see that it is pretty quick run. It doesn't take hours to run through, so the 10 should take us around 10 to 15 seconds. You can see it's processing the images now and it's still working. We're almost there. I should have stuck a timer on to time how long it's going to take. There we go, almost finished and done. Now that's around 15 seconds. I think it takes roughly a second to a second and a half per image, so you can see how long it's going to take to run through all your existing images. In my case, I've got 225 unoptimized images, so that's going to take around 3 to 4 minutes to run through and bulk optimize all those existing images. So I'm going to pause the video while I quickly do that. Okay, so as you can see, I've finished optimizing the images on this site and we've got an improvement of over 34%. Now, this particular site isn't image heavy,